To separate a check, first we have to reopen it, so let's go ahead and do that. We're going to touch the reopen checks over here. And there's our checks. We're going to pick this check here by touching it. Now there's two different places that you can separate checks. As you see down on the bottom, there's a separate checks button there. That'll work the same as what I'm about to show you. If you happen to be on the view edit screen, if you touch reopen and then you touch view edit down here at the bottom, there's another place with the separate checks button. So we're going to go ahead and touch that. Now in this particular case, we have two guests. They split a pitcher of beer and then they each had their own food. So what we can do is we can touch that pitcher of beer and we down here at the bottom it's switched to split item. So we're going to go ahead and split that item. How many different ways do we want to split it? There's two people. If there had been three, we could split it three ways. So let's go ahead and touch two. We touch enter. And now we have it split into two separate items at 50% of the cost for each one. So we're going to go ahead and touch the items that the first guest had. And we're just going to touch up at the top of guest number 2, and that's going to move those items over to guest number 2, and we've now created two separate checks. At the bottom, we're going to touch return, and then we're going to touch the print check in the bottom right, and that is going to print both of those checks, and that's all you have to do.